Good morning. It's Physics 12, and we are taking a look at series and parallel circuits. Can't do a real lab today, so we'll be using PhET, and it's a pretty good simulation for sure. I'm just going to share the screen with you right now so you can see what you would get when you go to PhET. And if you follow the link on my lesson, it'll take you right to here. If I don't want what is on the screen, if I had been working on it before, or if something does pop up, you can just reset it. So for our labs, what I want to do is have a battery, and I can change the orientation of the battery if I want. I will definitely need a light bulb. I'm going to grab a switch and a current meter, ammeter over here, to measure the current, the number of electrons flowing per second. And it looks like I've got everything I need here, so I'll just take some wires and connect them. I may use more wires than I need, but that's okay. I just want to change the orientation of this bulb. It just makes it a little easier to connect with the wires. And connect there. If I didn't like the connection here, or if I wanted to get rid of the current meter or whatever, if I don't like the connection here, I can cut it. If I don't like the ammeter here and I just want to get rid of it, I could just go click and then garbage can. But I do want it, so I'll bring it back. I'll reconnect the wire, one more wire. And of course, there's no current flowing right now because the circuit is open. The only way that the current could flow is if I close the switch. And if I want to open the switch again, you just click it right on the switch and it'll pop open. To measure voltage, I have to bring a voltmeter over, and I set up a parallel circuit for the voltmeter. So whereas this current meter is hooked up right in the series circuit, it has to be part of the circuit. This one is a parallel branch, so that you've got current going around in the circuit, but a small amount of current will go through the voltmeter in a parallel branch, and it'll give you what the voltage is at the, in this case, the battery. So 9 volts as expected. If I was to want to get the voltage loss in the light bulb, the potential loss, then I would just do the same thing. I would connect one lead to one part of the light bulb, the other lead to the other part of the light bulb. And then when I click this switch down, the current is flowing, then I can read what the voltage loss is across that light bulb or in that light bulb when the circuit is on. Okay, just looking at any other details here and seeing if I missed anything. Checking my notes. And there's one other thing here. If I wanted values, I just click up here and there's a toggle for values to show up. So you can see that the light bulb is 10 ohms, which is what we wanted it to be. This is just saying it's infinity ohms right now because there's no electrons that can move because the switch is open. That would change to 0 when I close the switch. And that's it. So have a good day. And of course, may the 4th be with you.